Hello fellow trans lovies, I am your girl for lady bringing you your hottest news. So if you're new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and also leave a comment below. Uzalo Nosipho takes a stand against a fake letter using her identity to address the president. People who publish and share fake news underestimate the negative impact it has on those concerned. Somebody who has been a victim of the trend more than once is Nompilo Mapumulo. The Uzalo actress once announced death before. This time around, her image and Uzalo character name Nosipho has been used in an open letter supposedly written to the President Cyril Ramaphosa. This time around, she is not taking the issue lying down. Nosipho and Uzalo are working together to ensure that this matter is dealt with accordingly, so she could clear her name. So she took it to Instagram to say, no guys, this is a scam, this is not me, it's not Nosipho from Uzalo who actually wrote that letter. It's just someone who was just trying to drag her name to the mud, or someone who was just didn't recognize that it's gonna have a negative impact. So that's it guys, I'm out till next time.